On select mattresses during the Tempur-Pedic model closeout event. Find a store at TempurPedic.com.
The Weather Channel has the time and the experts and the ability. This organization is built for weather.
America's Morning Headquarters, AMHQ with Sam Champion, premiering Monday, March 17th at 7, only on the Weather Channel.
Sunday nights on the Weather Channel take you from the peaks of danger to the perils of the sea. Prospectors, Sunday night at 9, followed by Coast Guard Cape Disappointment Pacific Northwest at 10 on the Weather Channel.
Currently in our area, 54 degrees under cloudy skies. Our local Doppler radar. Today, cloudy with showers, high 54. Winds south-southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%. For tonight, windy with periods of rain, low 50. Rainfall near a half an inch. Our week ahead.